Hook. Did you know that the Ebola outbreak in Africa has been declared a public health emergency of international concern?
The World Health Organization has sounded the alarm, warning of a potential global health crisis. In this video, we'll explore the causes and consequences of the outbreak, and what's being done to contain it.
Context.
The Ebola virus is a highly infectious and deadly disease that has been present in Africa for decades. It's caused by a virus that's transmitted through bodily fluids, and can have a mortality rate of up to 90%.
The current outbreak is centered in the Democratic Republic of Congo, where it's already claimed thousands of lives.
The WHO has declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern, due to the risk of it spreading to other countries.
Main point 1. One of the main challenges in combating the Ebola outbreak is the lack of infrastructure in affected regions.
Many areas lack basic healthcare facilities, making it difficult to diagnose and treat patients. Additionally, the remote location of some affected areas makes it hard to reach patients and provide them with the care they need. The WHO and other international organizations are working to establish temporary healthcare facilities and provide training to local healthcare workers.
Main point 2. Another challenge is the risk of the outbreak spreading to other countries. The Ebola virus can be transmitted through air travel, making it a potential global health threat. The WHO is working with international airlines and airports to implement screening measures and prevent the spread of the disease. Additionally, many countries are taking precautions to prevent the outbreak from spreading, such as imposing travel restrictions and increasing screening at borders. Main point 3. International cooperation is key to preventing the spread of the Ebola outbreak.
The WHO is working with governments, NGOs, and other international organizations to provide support and resources to affected regions. This includes providing medical supplies, training healthcare workers, and establishing temporary healthcare facilities. The international community must come together to address this global health crisis and prevent the spread of the Ebola virus.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the Ebola outbreak in Africa is a serious public health emergency that requires a global response.
The WHO and other international organizations are working tirelessly to contain the outbreak and prevent its spread.
However, more needs to be done to address the root causes of the outbreak and prevent future outbreaks from occurring.
It's essential that we take action now to prevent the spread of this deadly disease.
CTA. Thanks for watching.
If you want to stay up to date on the latest news and information about the Ebola outbreak, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive notifications. By working together, we can prevent the spread of this deadly disease and create a healthier, safer world for all.